What if a single event could overshadow an entire presidency? Herbert Hoover, often remembered for the Great Depression, faced a scandal that few know. As millions suffered, allegations arose that his administration prioritized the wealthy over the desperate. In a controversial decision, Hoover's response to the bonus Army veterans protesting for their pay sparked outrage and protests across the nation. The situation escalated as military force was used to clear the camp, creating a national uproar. This pivotal moment not only tarnished Hoover's reputation, but also redefined leadership in America. Explore how this scandal reshaped public perception and the very fabric of American politics.